What's the meaning of clipping? Clipping. Clipping.
Clipping. Clipping. Clipping refers to the distortion of an audio signal when its amplitude exceeds the maximum limit that can be accurately represented. This results in the waveform being truncated or clipped at the maximum level, causing the sound to become distorted and unpleasant to listen to. Clipping can occur during recording, mixing, or mastering stages of audio production, and it is important to avoid it in order to achieve a clean and clear sound. In summary, clipping results in distorted audio due to exceeding the maximum limit of amplitude representation.